way here in Omaha. Jim.
It doesn't. I don't know what the groundhog was thinking, but we're not seeing it here.
Not seeing it here, but this is the best part of it for folks that got this morning and took a look outside. Here's the best part of the forecast. Phil did not see a shadow. Guess what, folks? It's going to be warming up, and it's going to happen sooner. Now let's take a look at what we expect to be happening as we kind of progress through the evening. Secondary band of snow developing, 1 to 3 inches locally in a few spots. Later on tonight, after 9 p.m., winds will gust as high as 50 miles an hour. That could persist for up to 3 hours. And the good news, maybe it's a sign that Phil's on the right track. We're looking at a warmer weekend. Here's Viper HD for you. It does indicate a secondary band of snow developing, and this one is developing right over Omaha. Some of the short-range models are putting down locally 3 inches across the city. Now, I thought these were maybe some ice pellets down to the south here in Bellevue, but I did just get off the phone with the observer out at Offutt Air Force Base, and he's reporting some light snow out there, and the visibility currently is about 2 miles. And again, you can see this as we do our street level mapping along Highway 75, intersecting 370. That band is working back to the northwest. Temperatures are forecast to cool down, and again, some of the short-range models are giving some folks another 2 to 3 inches of snow. That would bring storm totals in the metro over 8. We've already had reports of over 8 inches out at Bennington. Weather Service currently just under that at 7.2. Look at Fremont, 11 there. Gretna had 6.7 this morning. Offutt had 6, but their amounts have compressed down to just under 5. Outdoors right now, we've seen some ice pellets resume here in Westo. 36 at Epley. They actually have some light rain there. A north wind currently at 14. They'll be going back over to some snow. Temperatures, what's it like in your neighborhood? Well, most readings are in the 30s. Head down toward Gretna, where they had close to 7 there. 32 degrees, Elkhorn 31. You head up toward Bennington, again, they had a report of 8.5. Blair had 8. Arlington up in Washington County, they reported 11 inches of snow. The amounts were heavier out to the west toward Columbus, Norfolk. I think their last report was around 13 or 14 inches. Temperatures right now running in the middle and upper 30s. Pretty warm. Look at this down to the south. Falls City and Maryville with readings there above the 40-degree mark. Combination of the satellite and radar does show a secondary band developing here now right over Omaha. This is going to sit here for a few hours, and expect the intensity of the precipitation to pick up, go back over to all snow, and again, I think somebody's looking at an additional 2 to 3 inches here by 10 o'clock tonight. Our models are actually doing a pretty good job of picking up on that band at 6 o'clock. Look at this, right across the city. The main band last night out to the west will continue to diminish. As we head toward 10 o'clock, that band pushes into portions of Iowa. Overnight tonight, we'll be dropping back into the lower 20s. And then for tomorrow, clouds begin to break up, some sunshine with readings in the 20s. Forecast for tonight, more snow on the way, windy. Winds will pick up out of the north. We'll see gusts up to 50 miles an hour after 9 o'clock tonight. 24 tomorrow, mostly cloudy and windy. And over the next 3 days, we're looking at 30s for Thursday and Friday. Looking at a pretty decent weekend as well, with readings in the upper 30s for both Saturday and Sunday before more cold air